Hey guys, today we're talking about what else but trucks. Behind me is SEEMORE, our Ford F250. And recently we've been talking about whether or not I'm going to get this truck bulletproofed or modified. And I thought it might be fun to share with you some footage from a very important day in the life of our truck. And that was the day that the EGR valve failed. This happened when we were on our way back down from Alaska. We had traveled just over 10,000 miles on this particular road trip.
We're at 9,999 miles on our trip meter. We don't know what will happen. If it will reset to 1 or go to 10,000.
Truck may explode. 0! So we had made it all the way from Alabama to Alaska and back down to California. This is bad. All that smoke. Crazy.
We're having truck problems.
Now I have to admit, at the time I didn't realize what was going on. And I thought that it might be helpful for some of you to actually see a 6-liter engine experiencing an EGR valve, an EGR cooler failure.
When Sean pushes the gas, I mean, it just kind of shudders and it's like all it can do just to move at all.
Just a flood.
I mean, if he hits the gas, just a flood of white smoke comes out of the exhaust.
Now obviously if you wake up one morning and you start seeing these symptoms, it's a bit too late. Your first call is going to be to a tow truck, and your second call should be to your banker, because you're going to be writing a big fat check to fix all the things that just went wrong with your engine. Oh, come on, SEEMORE. Come on, SEEMORE. So I'm offering this video as a cautionary tale. If you have a 6-liter Ford, these can be great engines. I really believe that. We've taken ours all over North America. But obviously there were some serious design defects that need to be corrected. We are attempting to pilot SEEMORE to the local Ford dealership. We got to go a whopping 0.7 miles. Will we make it?
That's a good question. It's not gonna go. It's gonna die. Nope. We're not going anywhere.
So it's definitely a pretty sad day when we saw our beloved truck SEEMORE getting hauled off on a flatbed tow truck. And it was an even sadder day when I had to write that check for all the work that was done. Basically, they replaced the EGR assembly, new EGR valve, new EGR cooler, new oil cooler. And without delving too far into the financial end of things, trust me, it's kind of an expensive process. This is a cab off job, so they're going to lift the cab of the pickup truck. And again, I'm no diesel technician, but it's just an expensive process, and if you can avoid it, you're going to want to avoid it. So that's it, guys. Just some raw footage from the day that SEEMORE died. If you're interested in videos on trucks, RV camping, travel, be sure to subscribe to our channel. because we're going to give more updates about SEEMORE and what we do with our truck as time goes by. As always, thanks for tuning in, guys, and lo-lo-ho.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Feel free to leave a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.